The future. Many believe that there will be a decrease in the number of people living in the year 2050 due to predicted family sizes shrinking to a level that is unsustainable. However, we believe that the opposite will occur. According to many viable sources such as the Australian Bureau of Statistics, by the year 2050 there will be approximately 30 million people living in Australia as opposed to the 21 million people that we will have here today. Readings cited from the numerous newspaper articles, published websites and independent university research predict that the future of housing is no longer living the great Australian dream, where the ideals of our nation was owning your own quarter-acre block. Rather, it is fast becoming the great Australian nightmare, as property and land prices are increasing at a staggering rate. Our solution to this ever-growing population and cost increase was through prefabricated modular design that took to the sky for answers. The driving idea behind the ideal house of the future was to make the most effective use of space through new ways of thinking about space itself. To push the feel of private and separate spaces, a single modular home is formed as a coil up an elevator shaft that facilitates all the services of the building and creates a two-story experience within the home. The roof of your lower floor actually acts as the outer space to your upper floor area, creating a dynamic between positive and negative spaces. Each level of a two-story modular home is prefabricated off-site at a manufacturing company. The two parts of the home are then transported by a truck and delivered directly on site. It is then a matter of simply getting a crane to lift and slide the two units of the modular home in the steel frame of the shaft core. This process is repeated, building upwards to create a multi-residential living quarters to house numerous families. For sustainability, the walls are made out of sandwich wall construction consisting of two separate load-bearing concrete skins with a lightweight core material. Close-cell polyurethane is reported to be up to 97% efficient compared to some traditional systems, which can be as low as 35%. In the kitchen, we have features which have a complete set of fold-away cooking appliances, fridge and storage space. This area, when cooking, is used as needed by each specific purpose, and can then afterwards be tucked away, which leaves more room to entertain guests and the like. As you can see, we've incorporated some shelving to save some space for putting all your books and what have you in there. Now, travelling up to the bathroom, we feature a similar system with all your bathroom needs that pivot on a single axis, taking up absolute minimal space and just as your kitchen, allowing you to make use of only what is required for the given space. Entering now is the upstairs kids' playroom, and just across from the wall is the master's bedroom. Now, coming into the kids' bedrooms, they are completely transformable. Inside the floor, beneath a horizontal sliding panel, lays a mattress. When this is closed, the room which should be taken up by the bed can then be used for study space. When the wall is coiled, a roll-out table can then be expanded to whatever length is required. Finally, for your storage space, the wardrobe is situated in the roof, which swings down from the ceiling to a vertical position and is tucked back away when not in use. Solar panels have been placed on the balconies out of sight from the residence view, but located for maximal light gains. This outdoor space facilitates a garden which allows you to grow your own food, as well as decorate with plants. In case of an emergency, there is a fire stair to the southern face of the shaft core. Each floor is entered through an elevator whose primary access is through the ground floor lobby, which acts as an interface to the housing property. This ensures security and provides it with a communal space. As well as being the building's main structural member, the shaft core services all modular homes from top to bottom. The maximization of space usage lowers costs. The integration of cooperative modular living spaces strengthens the sense of community and brings people together. Through prefabricated design and sustainable materials, there is less waste, it is better for the environment, and people are actually able to afford buying a home.